Hey, good morning to you. It's Chuck at Pals. So what are we looking at here? That is the case that holds the evaporator core and the heater core. Now, we all take for granted when we have heating and air conditioning in our vehicle. But what happens when the evaporator core develops a leak or the heater core develops a leak? Well, those things go away. We no longer have heat or air conditioning. So obviously we want to fix it. Well, to get to that box, to separate it and put in a new evaporator and heater core, you have to do this. You have to basically remove the entire dash from the vehicle. It is a tedious, painstaking job. Most of these cars are made out of plastic, and plastic gets brittle and hard, and so you have to be ginger when you're removing stuff so that it doesn't break. As you can see, that's quite an ordeal. Disconnecting the steering, removing the entire dash from the vehicle to get to the box that mounts right there where that hole is. That hole allows the components to reach out into the engine compartment to receive coolant to create heat and to receive freon to create air conditioning. So if you're having a heating and air conditioning problem with your car, bring it to Pals. We are experts at not just finding a leak and fixing it, but also if you need your evaporator core or heater core replaced, we do them all the time. And as you can see, it's quite a complicated ordeal. Anyway, I hope to see you soon with your heating and air conditioning problem at Pals.